Hi friends, how are you today? Meet again with me, Miss Irene. Today, as usual, I will accompany you to do the nature observation. So, since last week we have observed our plants, especially the stem of our plants, today I want to accompany you to observe the other parts of our plants. What would it be? Yes, we are going to observe our plant's leaves. Now, I want you to go out your house, I mean in your garden. I want you to take two plants. I want you to take a look at two plants that you think they have different leaves. All right? Have you had your plants? Do you know what the name of the plants? Oh, if Miss Irene is observing two kinds of leaves. I observe the plants of cassava plant and also spinach leaves. What about you? What plants do you observe? All right, now I want to ask you to take a look at the leaves of your plant.
What is the shape of your leaves?
How do the leaves of both of your plants are different? In here, my cassava plants and also my spinach plants have different shapes of leaves. Alright friends, so can you spot the difference between cassava leaves and spinach leaves that I have here? Is it the shape? Is it the size? Or the colors? Oh, I see. Now, what about your plants? I think your plants has also different leaves, right? How is it different? Now I want you to take a look a little closer to the leaves. What do you see, friends? Okay, after taking a look a little closer to our leaves, what about if we try to touch it? You can feel the texture. Let's try to touch it. What do you feel? Is it soft or you feel something else? All right, friends. Now, uh, I want you to take your nature journal as usual. I want you to draw the shape of your leaves. Okay? You can draw as detailed as you can. You also can color it and also take some notes about your findings. This is how I draw the leaves of my plant. You can pause this video while you drawing the result of your observation. Have you done drawing the leaves of your plant on the nature journal? After drawing it, you can take some notes about the result of your observation of your leaves. Maybe you can write about the shape of your leaves or maybe the texture of your leaves. Oh, don't forget to write the date of the day, alright? So friends, how do you feel when you are drawing your leaves? Is it easy? Is it a little hard? Why do you think that it is easy? Or why do you think it is a little hard? Oh, I see. All right, friends. So thank you for doing the nature observation with Miss Irene. Now, after this, maybe you can record yourself when you tell me about the leaves of your plant. You can tell me the difference of your leaves, and then you also can tell me about what you feel when you touch the leaves, and anything. You can tell me anything about the leaves of your plant. Okay? Alright, friends, Miss Irene is really happy to meet you today. And I think that's all for today. I hope we can meet again in the next meeting, alright? Have a nice day, friends. Goodbye.